To resolve the issue of being unable to play certain games on Roblox due to the need for parental permission, it is necessary to obtain permission from a parent. This issue typically occurs when an account is registered for someone under the age of 13. The first step is to open a browser, navigate to the Roblox website, and log into the account. From there, go to the settings by selecting the gear icon at the top right corner. In the settings, locate the birth date under the personal section and update it to reflect the actual age, if it is over 13. If updating the age is not possible or does not resolve the issue, proceed to the Privacy and Content Maturity section within the settings. The content maturity setting is likely set to minimal, which restricts access to certain games if the account holder is over 13. Raising this setting will resolve the issue. However, if the account is registered for someone under 13, it is necessary to select the Ask My Parent option and enter a parent's email address. An email will be sent to the parent, who can then create a new account or use an existing one to verify their identity. The parent can verify their identity using a credit card or an ID. The credit card option involves a small hold that will be refunded, and it does not require any payment. Once the verification process is complete, the parent can link their child's account and approve the requested changes to the content maturity rating. The parent also has the option to adjust the content maturity rating themselves under the Parental Controls section. After these steps are completed, the previously restricted games should become accessible.